So in this video, let's go over how you achieve abstraction through encapsulation. We already have achieved abstraction through encapsulation in our code, but what we'll be going over is how we have done that, and also a bit of more explanation of what encapsulation is. So here you can see 5 methods of selling, which we're only making visible to the inheriting child classes. What we expose to the world is the sell method. Now here's the subtlety. And here is how you achieve abstraction through encapsulation. If you listen to it and you don't get it the first time around, please rewind and listen to it multiple times. This is very, very important. So here it comes. Encapsulation is just the process of either hiding or showing members of a class. Nothing more, nothing less. We just say, hey, this is what I want to hide, and this is what I want to show. All right? That's it. And we hide or show by using access specifiers. Now, abstraction is the reason why we perform encapsulation, because encapsulation on its own is just a blind process. We can just say, hey, hide this field, show this property, show the constructor, show the sell method, hide the methods only for the inheriting class. So it's a blind process of hiding or showing things. Why do we decide to hide and show? That's the question. Why do we decide to hide certain things, and why do we decide to show other things? This is the question. And the answer to this is abstraction. We only show what is relevant to the end user, and that is abstraction. We only show what is relevant to the user, which is why we hide certain things and show other things. You see that? The way we hide and show is done in a concrete way using access specifiers. But the reason why I said abstraction is more of a generic term is because it happens as a natural result of encapsulation. Because as you hide and show things, you will achieve abstraction. However, if you just blindly hide and show things, then you will achieve abstraction, but that abstraction won't really mean much. But if you know what you want to make relevant for the user, then it's going to be a more of a conscious abstraction. But I could have just went and made all of the methods public, or maybe only one of them public and the rest of them private, or not even that. I could have made one protected, one private, just randomize all the access specifiers. Am I also achieving abstraction? 100%. Of course I am. However, there is no meaning behind that abstraction. It's not useful abstraction. But if I have a conscious idea, hey man, I know that the sell method is what the user needs, and the rest of it is just details. They don't need to know about this stuff. So that's how I achieve more meaningful abstraction through encapsulation. So once again, we just give the end user what they need in order to achieve what they want. The end user, in our case, wanted to be able to sell an item. So we expose the sell method. They don't need to know how we sell the item, okay? And this is how applications are written in the real world. We hide things that the end user doesn't care about, and we show what the end user needs, once again, to be able to achieve what they want. And that is abstraction.